Hello friends, welcome to Spark's Corner. Today we are going to make marble launcher. To make it we need an ice cream stick, a bottle cap or a container, cloth hanging clip, some rubber bands and the marble. Start. We need the ice cream stick and the clip, and attach the clip to the ice cream stick with the help of a rubber band. I am here using rubber band because we all have attach the clip to the ice cream stick. Now take the bottle cap or the container . We have to stick it at the back side of that clip. For that we will use some sticky tape. Here I have shown that how I am attaching it to the clip. Fold the tape as I am showing . And stick it to the bottom of that container. And stick it to the clip. We will need some more tape. It properly with the sticky tape as I am showing and secure it. Now we have sticked it. Now take our marble and just play with it like I am showing. It works very nicely. Let's give a try again. It launches the marble just as the rocket launcher. Here is a tutorial to play with it. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe.